I have here cheetah and its sibling. Which one would you choose? For all those bikers out there who likes to wander outside, what better car than these Mahindras? This is tough and rugged like all the bikes which can take you anywhere. For example, there is a mighty Thar and here is two XUVs, 300 and 500, siblings of rough and toughness. Mahindra is the only vehicle which bridges the gap between the rural India and the urban city of India with its Thar, the mighty Thar. Now we also have XUVs. These Mahindras will make even the Audi and BMW people turn their head towards its Thars. So that's one of the best vehicle which Mahindra has to offer in its lineup. Now we also have BS6 XUV 300 and XUV 500. Let's explore the feature list of these two. The feature list of these two vehicles is taller than me. Astudda ide. Both are turbo engines. This is 1.2 liter turbo engine and that's 2.2 liter turbo M-Hawk engine. Idralli maybe only in Thar they have M Stallion engine. As of now this is a normal 1.2 liter engine. As it is a turbo engine, make sure you idle before you accelerate. So whenever you have a turbo engine car, make sure you idle for at least a minute before you start accelerating, because the oil has to go to the turbos, else without oil if you start accelerating the turbo will kick in and it will ruin. There will be a wear and tear of turbos, so always make sure you idle before you accelerate. ಆಮೇಲೆ stop ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, don't turn off the ignition as soon as you stop. Now let me proceed with the younger sibling XUV 300. This is the safest car in India. This dethroned Altroz, BS6 Altroz, that's Tata's Altroz, which is a hatchback. Now this is the safest car in our country right now. Now let's start with the engine. I will open the boot. This bonnet is very heavy. You can see the engine. This is the 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine which produces 110 horsepower at 5000 rpm, and it also produces 200 newton meter of torque at around 2500 to 3000 rpm. So this is pretty quick, and the 0 to 100 is around 12 seconds and it has 4 disc brakes, so this is safe. even though you accelerate 0 to 100 within 12 seconds, it does come to halt within 6 to 7 seconds, so you will be safe. You need not worry about all those things. And the build quality is awesome. You can see this is very rugged. Now coming to the ride comfort, this absorbs all the bumps easily like a more premium cars, so this is very good. The comfort is good, the cushioning is well rounded, even the thigh support is very good, even the hips support is good, so even this elbow support perfectly fits in. Whenever I keep my hand on the gear lever, I can keep my arm over the armrest, so this is perfect. Now coming to the interiors, we can see that there is a lot of Korean influence over here. You can see the quality of the switches over here on the steering wheel. It's very good, not like the ones which are in XUV 500. Here it doesn't have cruise control for this version. This is W6 variant and it doesn't have the cruise control. Even all these switches, it has auto down but no auto up. All the 4 switches are over here. This is micro hybrid system, auto start and stop system. Width in this back row is awesome. This is the best in its class, sub 4 meter SUV. So this has the longest width over here. Now, the width is around 1831 mm and 3 people can aramse sit over here. And the central tunnel over here is not too much, so arama kutkombodu. Even the center passenger can sit easily. You can see the leg room and you can see the headroom as well. Now let's go to the bad things over here. Hard plastics. Ella kadeno hard plastics maja illa. Amele olle temperature control nodi how it is, and this one, the whole control below the infotainment system looks a prehistoric era system, so it doesn't look too good. Now let's go to the boot. Yeah, you can see the boot. It's very small. It's around only 260 liters. That's the range of the hatchback. Now going to the rear design. To make it a sub 4 meter SUV, they just rammed this SsangYong Trivoli to the wall. Adrinda arda pachidi agibide. Looks like that. That's the drawback. The BS6 variant, the petrol engine, price has been reduced by 80,000, and still it is one of the more expensive sub 4 meter SUVs you can purchase. Remember, you are paying for the safety which it has to offer you. Maruti Suzuki Brezza or the Seltos, the segment leading Seltos, has only 3-star rating in the NCAPs. This has 5. So just remember, you are just paying for your family's safety first, and the riding is awesome. The driver will definitely enjoy these cars. These are turbo engines and they definitely enjoy. The turbo engine are offered from the basic level. From W4 level trim, W4 trim, they have the turbo engine in this as well as the XUV 500. So they are awesome. Now let's start with the elder sibling, the real Cheetah, which was launched in 2012. Let's begin with the engine. I'll show you the engine bay. Even this is very heavy, the bonnet. This is 2.2 liter M-Hawk engine, which produces 155 bhp, around 3700 rpm, and that's more than the mighty Innova. And it also produces 360 Newton meter of torque, around 1700 rpm. That's very good. Now let's go to the interior. At first glance, you may think this is some German car or some Japanese car. No! It's a true Indian. For all those nationalists out there, this is the true Indian car. You can see all black interior. That's awesome. Now let's turn on the car. You can see the music system. This is the touchscreen music system over here. With the middle variant, we have got the touchscreen system. You have all the applications. You have everything over here. Home, navigation, everything is given. Ground clearance is 200 mm. Tumba height aitu. That's why you need a ladder or a footstep for this. The driver cabin is awesome. Yakendre it welcomes us with the ambient lighting system. Over here, there you can see the lighting system over there. Here, the doors you have. Even here you have that ambient lighting. Now, coming to the ride quality, it's very bumpy. Olle trampoline al kutanga ide suspension. They have tuned the suspension from the previous edition, but still it's not so good. You can hear all the rattling inside as well, and also the body roll. Tumba jasti agoytu body roll idradu. Now let's start with the bad aspect. There are n number of bad aspects. I will show you those bad aspects as well. The build quality, you can see here. Full allartide. Just check this. This is fog lamps, the holder hengida, and the interior build quality. Just listen to this. It's kettadagide, and there are 3 buttons, 3 ways you can control the music system. One over here, one over here, and other the touch screen. Why do you need 3? ಯಾಕೆ ಗುರು ಬೇಕು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ? ಅದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದಟ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಬೂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ XUV. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 97 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದರ್ ಎ 7-seater with limited boot space or a 5-seater with ample lot of boot space. The panel gaps, I will even show you the roof railing gaps. Adantu tumba jaasti ide. Nodi kansata alli roof railing gaps. Nodi, you can see the gaps over there. Astella gaps idre, after paying 15 lakhs for this, nimge ontara feel agutte all those plastic bits. That is why they have to improve on the quality aste. You even have the cornering lights which turns on whenever you turn. That's awesome in the night time. Adu tumba bekagutte. That's it about these 2 siblings which Mahindra has to offer. Now I am done with this video, so please do hit that red subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. If you have any queries, do let me know.